What's happening? What's happening? Joy Papers Visionary Art Group. Boom, check it out, right? I just dropped a digital pack. Sounds of the Trap. 25 handcrafted sounds you're not gonna find anywhere else. 25 handcrafted, high quality sounds you're not gonna find anywhere else. And guess what? I threw in an additional 21 sounds. So you're getting like a total of 46 sounds, man. Alright? And since I f with y'all, throw in the code Visionary during checkout, 50% off, right? That's how we gonna do it, man. Sounds of the Trap, 46 custom sounds, handcrafted by your boy Visionary. I'm already working on Sound Pack 2, and that's gonna be even crazy, alright? So drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the pack. Let me know if you hate it. Let me know what you love about it. Let me know what I can add. You know, just give me some pointers, man. Drop a comment, share, make sure you spread the word, alright? See y'all in a minute.
We coming our way from the bottom, the trenches, the dirt, bitch, we coming for payback. He said that he got all the bags and they all full of work, bitch, we coming to take that. If I call my shooter, he do you, we shooting first quarter, you know we gon' make that. You don't love me, then don't say that, nah.